Why are air defense systems critical in the theater of modern warfare? The answer lies in their ability to neutralize airborne threats, ensuring the protection of a nation's sovereignty and vital interests. Today, we delve into the story of a groundbreaking air defense system, the HQ-9B Long-Range Surface-to-Air Missile System, recently unveiled by the Pakistan Air Force, or PAF. In the year 2024, the PAF made a significant stride in advancing its air defense capabilities by unveiling the HQ-9B system. This system, a product of the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, has amplified Pakistan's air defense prowess by leaps and bounds. With its impressive range, precision targeting, and the ability to engage multiple targets, the HQ-9B stands as a formidable deterrent against airborne threats, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. Among the many impressive features of the HQ-9B system, its extended range stands out. Able to reach over 200 kilometers, this system allows the PAF to effectively shield vital assets and population centers across the country, ensuring a robust defense against potential aerial threats. But the HQ-9B's capabilities don't stop there. Its advanced active radar guidance system can autonomously track and engage multiple targets simultaneously with remarkable accuracy. This feature not only strengthens Pakistan's defense against saturation attacks, but also guarantees swift and decisive responses to evolving airborne threats. The HQ-9B system is mounted on mobile launch platforms, enhancing its tactical flexibility and survivability. This mobility allows for rapid deployment and repositioning in response to changing operational scenarios. Paired with sophisticated countermeasures against enemy electronic warfare and anti-missile systems, the HQ-9B remains effective even in contested environments. The unveiling of the HQ-9B long-range surface-to-air missile system is a testament to Pakistan's commitment to bolstering its defense capabilities. By investing in state-of-the-art technologies and fostering strategic partnerships, Pakistan continues to fortify its defense infrastructure, safeguarding its national interests. As the geopolitical landscape continues to evolve, the HQ-9B is ready to serve as a pivotal component of Pakistan's air defense strategy. It deters potential adversaries and ensures the nation's security in an increasingly complex and dynamic security environment. To sum up, the introduction of the HQ-9B long-range surface-to-air missile system marks a significant milestone in Pakistan's pursuit of advanced air defense capabilities. With its formidable range, precision targeting, and multi-target engagement capabilities, the HQ-9B is set to revolutionize Pakistan's air defense posture, reaffirming the PAF's commitment to protecting the skies and securing the future of the nation.